Hello friends, in my previous videos, I've explained what is artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. In this video, we are going to discuss about the new technology of quantum computers. So let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you that the technology which we are currently using is the technology of classical computers. These classical computers are also called as von Neumann machines after the name of John von Neumann, a famous mathematician and computer scientist. The modern-day classical computers use bits as the basic unit of data. A bit is basically a numeric value which can be either 0 or 1. Using these bits, the computers perform the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All the functions of a computer like input, output, memory and processing are performed using these bits. But there is a serious problem with the use of bits. Most of the real-world problems cannot be solved using the binary values of 0 or 1. For example, if we want to find the solution of a quadratic equation using a computer, then it is not possible with the binary values of bits. Such problems can be solved only with the help of complex numbers where the values can be in the form of real as well as imaginary numbers. Another problem is that using bits, the computers can only perform the Boolean operations like and or not, etc. But there are many mathematical operations which cannot be performed using these Boolean operations. Like for example, finding the value of pi or solving the differential equations. For such problems, we need a different type of unit which can represent both the real and imaginary values. Now here comes the role of qubits. A qubit is basically a combination of 0 and 1 in a linear combination form. This means that a qubit can be in the state of 0, 1 or any linear combination of 0 and 1. This property of qubit is known as superposition. Due to this property, qubits can represent any real or imaginary value. That's why they are also known as quantum bits. The second property of qubits is entanglement. Entanglement is a correlation between two or more qubits. This means if we know the state of one qubit, then we can directly know the state of other entangled qubit without even looking at it. It is similar to the correlation between two variables in statistics. These properties of qubits enable the quantum computers to perform the operations, which are not possible on a classical computer. For example, they can easily solve the problems involving real and imaginary numbers, differential equations, etc. They can also perform the large matrix operations very fast, which are used in machine learning and data mining algorithms. In fact, there are some special algorithms which can be used only on a quantum computer due to its ability to perform these types of operations. There is one more important point that I want to mention here. Currently, the quantum computers are in the development stage and the research is going on in this field. There are some companies which are manufacturing the prototype models of quantum computers. These quantum computers are very expensive and the cost is increasing exponentially with the increase in number of qubits. Currently, the number of qubits in a quantum computer is very small. It is just around 50 to 100. But the big tech companies are investing millions of dollars in the research of quantum computing. It is expected that in the near future this cost will come down, and these quantum computers will become a part of our daily life like the classical computers are. So friends, this was all about what is quantum computers. If you have liked the video, then please hit the like button and do share it with your friends. And if you have any doubts or questions, then please write it in the comments section below. I will try my best to solve your doubts. And if you have not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe. Thank you very much and have a nice day.